is how to play the James Bay song One Life. The song is played with a capo on the 5th fret for the studio recorded version of the song. If you watch James Bay play it live, sometimes he puts a capo on the 4th fret, so that's just something to be aware of. So the verse is an F chord. We can't actually play a full barred version of this because we're going to hammer on from the open string, so we need to re-finger the chord. So we've got the thumb over the top on the 1st fret there on the low E. We've got 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A string. Then we've got pinky finger, 3rd fret of the D, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the G, and a 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and an open high E string. I'm going to strum down, and then on the AND, we're going to hammer on to the G string at the 2nd fret. We're going to strum up, down, up. So I'm going to swap to a C with a G in the bass. All we're going to do is move the 3rd finger up to the E string at the 3rd fret, pinky finger up to the A string at the 3rd fret, and the 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret of the D string. Everything else stays the same. I'm going to start off the same with the open string there, so we're going to take the 2nd finger off on the D, strum down, and hammer onto the 2nd fret. So far we've got F, C with the G in the bass, and then we're going to strum up, down, 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 to finish off with that C with the G there for the 2nd bar. So F, hammer on, down, up, down, C with the G, hammer on, down, down, down. Then we go to a G chord, full G chord, and we're going to play down, up, down, 1, 2, and 3, and on the 4th beat we're going to go to an A minor 7 chord, which is the same as an A minor chord without the 3rd finger there. I'm going to play down. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Then next bar we stay in the A minor 7, we're going to play up, down, before we change back to a G, down, down. So those 2 bars we've got down, up, down, up. We change to the A minor 7, up, down, back to the G, down, down. Then we repeat what we played from the start with the F, to the C with the G in the bass. When we go to the G, we've got 1, 2, and when we play down for 3, we're going to hammer on for the 3 and with the 1st finger on the B string. So go. Then we take it off, and strum 4 down. So. And we stay on the G chord for the next bar. Down, down, down. And then we repeat. The song actually starts with 3 bars from later on in the chord progression. It starts with the F with the hammer on, then to the C with the hammer on, then to the G with the hammer on for 1 bar. There's also a section in the song where James Bay plays single strums on the guitar. This happens at 31 seconds in the song and also at 2 minutes and 7 seconds. So for the single strum section, we're going to strum a C with a G in the bass for 1 bar, then the G for 1 bar, A minor 7 for 1 bar, and then a standard F chord for 1 bar. If you want to, you can use the thumb in the bass, it's entirely up to you. So go C with G, 1 bar, G, 1 bar, A minor 7, 1 bar, and then the F for 1 bar. As always, make sure you jam along with the original song. It will help you progress so much quicker and it will improve so many aspects of your guitar playing. Enjoy jamming along with this one. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.